Hello and welcome to a Major Droid unboxing video. Today we're looking at Pocophone F1 by Xiaomi. Pocophone is a line of phones that tries to be what OnePlus used to make, so affordable smartphones with flagship specifications. Let's see what's on the back. We got this sticker where it says Snapdragon 845, so this phone has the latest chipset from Snapdragon. It also has what it says here, liquid cooling system, which may be a bit overkill for a phone. I mean, come on, liquid cooling on a phone. But yeah, these are the times. Anyways, we also got an AI dual camera here, and AI here, I don't think it really means much. It's just advanced scene detection like night mode and portrait. And we got a bit bigger, but not too big, 4 Ah battery. So yeah, this is what Xiaomi tried to make to be the flagship killer. Let's try to open it up. As always, vacuum test is quite satisfying. You may even need to pull it yourself. So yeah, here's the Pocophone F1, but inside got this little baggie with a little book here. Let's see. It's it's an international quick start guide, and it's in English. Just shows you how to use the phone and some safety regulations. But importantly, we also got a clear case here, which is it seems to be the norm with most phones today. That's good because phones today can get easily scratched. Since it's transparent, it also means a lot of fingerprints, but you can always get a replacement case on the cheap. So this is the Pocophone F1. On the top we got a notch, and on the bottom we got the USB-C port, so that's good. They're keeping it new. It's good to see the micro USB port being phased out. The buttons on the side are also pretty satisfying to click, but yeah, we'll keep that for the review. The back side, plastic. So yeah, that's maybe a weird decision for a flagship, although yeah, Samsung has proven that flagships can have pretty much any sort of material on the back. We also got a dual camera here with a little protector. Let's just take this off. And the Pocophone brand here, really nice and reflective. So yeah, it fits nicely in hand. It is a non-standard aspect ratio, and it has a 3.5mm jack on the top, so yeah, that's nice to see on the phones today. Some phones seem to remove it for some reason. And yeah, this notch, it's also hiding an infrared sensor, so it allows you to scan your face even at night. But yeah, let's set that aside for now. Lastly, in the box, standard setup, we got a cable, USB-C cable. I don't know the quality of this thing, but yeah, it's a normal cable. Seems to be a bit longer too. But yeah, and this is their charger. And yeah, although it looks like the standard charger, like 5V 2A, this one supports quick charge, so 12V 2A. That's that's gonna charge that 4 Ah battery pretty quickly. And besides that, there's this. It's a little pin for the SIM slot, since you got a slot here for your SIM card. And there's not much really in here. You can't remove this bottom part, so this is pretty much it. We're gonna take a more detailed look at this phone in about a week, so be sure to check out our YouTube channel and our website.